Hello and welcome to Learn Grammar Through Stories. The Breakfast Rush. Soon, early, quickly, explained. Part 1. The Morning Plan. Mia loved hosting breakfast parties. One Sunday morning, she decided to cook a big breakfast for her friends. Since they were arriving in an hour, she knew she had to get everything ready soon. Feeling confident, she started early, knowing that preparation was the key to success. She began by making fluffy pancakes, then moved on to scrambled eggs and toast. Everything was going smoothly until her phone buzzed with a message from Jess. "We're on our way. We'll be there in 10 minutes. Part 2. The Panic and the Rush. Mia's heart raced. She hadn't set the table or prepared the fruit salad. She quickly grabbed the plates and cutlery, setting them neatly on the dining table. Then she rushed to the fridge, pulling out strawberries and bananas, chopping them quickly and tossing them into a colourful bowl. Just as she finished arranging the dishes, the doorbell rang. Her friends had arrived early. Taking a deep breath, Mia welcomed them with a smile, relieved that her last-minute effort had paid off. After the meal, Jess asked, "How did you get everything ready so quickly?" Mia laughed. "Honestly, I started early, but when you said you'd be here soon, I had to move fast." Part 3. Grammar point. Let's take a closer look. Soon. It means in a short time, not long from now. We use soon when we expect something to happen shortly. Example: Mia knew her friends would arrive soon. The cake will be ready soon. Tip: use soon when talking about the near future or something that is about to happen. Early. It means before the usual or expected time. Early is about being ahead of schedule, or before the set time. Example: Mia woke up early to start cooking. The guests arrived early, surprising Mia. Tip: use early when something happens ahead of time, or sooner than planned. Quickly means done at a fast speed or pace. It describes how something is done focusing on speed. Example: Mia quickly chopped the fruit when she realized her friends were arriving. She moved quickly to set the table. Tip: use quickly when describing actions that are done fast. 1. What does soon mean in the sentence? Mia knew her friends would arrive soon. A. Before the usual time. B. In a short time. C. Very fast. D. At the same time. Answer: B. In a short time. 2. Which sentence correctly uses early? A. She set the table early to make breakfast fast. B. Mia woke up early to have more time for cooking. C. Mia ate breakfast early in the day. D. Mia quickly finished cooking because her friends arrived early. Answer: B. Mia woke up early to have more time for cooking. 3. What does quickly mean in the sentence? Mia quickly chopped the fruit. A. After a long time. B. In a fast manner. C. At the right time. D. Carefully and slowly. Answer: B. In a fast manner. Which sentence uses soon correctly? A. I will call you soon after I finish work. B. I woke up soon to make breakfast. C. I quickly ran to the store soon. D. I will visit you early next week. Answer: A. I will call you soon after I finish work. 5. What's the difference between early and quickly? A. Early means fast, quickly means ahead of time. B. Early means before the expected time, quickly means fast. C. Early means after some time, quickly means slowly. D. Early and quickly mean the same thing. Answer: B. Early means before the expected time, quickly means fast. Finally, part 4. Real-life practice. Mia gave her friends some friendly tips. 1. If you wake up early, you have more time to get ready. 2. If you cook quickly, you might make mistakes. 3. Call me soon so we can plan the next brunch. Your turn. Can you make your own sentences using soon, early and quickly? Share them in the comments.